I was sent this digital microscope from Vevor to do a review. So let's get started. It came with a 10-inch monitor and everything needed to put it together. So I have it charged up and ready to go. It also came with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. It also comes with an HDMI cable so that you can connect it to a larger monitor. My husband is an avid coin collector, so he was very excited to get this Vevor 10-inch digital microscope to test out. You can see if you look closely, he has a little tiny microscope behind it, and this one is just so more defined for what he needs. I put the quarter by these jewelry and findings. These are polymer clay beads that I made to put together for some earrings. And as you can see, these rings can be very hard to see. So that is why I am excited to try this microscope out. And you can see just how clearly this looks. These rings, these finding rings, jump rings, whatever they call them, are very hard to see when you put them together to make sure that they're flush and tight. So this is incredible. This is the handheld remote that came with the microscope. Now you can take photo and video right on the microscope itself, but this made it so easy to take pictures and to record. With that 32 gigabyte micro SD card, I was able to record some video here. Stop this and show you a few of these. There's a little bit of background sound here, but it records very, very well. Let me get a couple more here. Yeah, it works so well. I need this. I need to be able to see if I have these jump rings closed. And here's another one that I could see that the jump ring is closed, but it also shows clearly the detail on these beads that they need a little more sanding that I couldn't see with my visible eye. So here's another recording. Now these again are on the micro SD card. And here you can see that my drilling, and there's a little bit of what we call fluff on these polymer clay beads here that need to be cleaned up, but I would not have seen that without the microscope. So let's go and look at some pictures as well. Some photos here. Took some nice clear photos. This is an earring. You can see the detail there. And these are tiny, tiny details that we're looking at. My husband took these pictures. He was so impressed. And then he took this picture of a quarter to see how just how deep you can see the images, because like I said, he is a coin collector, so he loves this microscope. There we go. Yeah, again, here's one of his, zooming in on a coin. Let's see. Oh, and here is where I am starting to put these earrings together. And just so you can see the detail very clearly, the detail there. Keep going here. This was just to show the different sizes of jump rings that I was using. Let's see these. Clearly, you can see how tiny these are. And they were very easy to see under the microscope that I had them tight enough. You want this jump ring to be tight enough so that it's not visible on the earring. And this digital microscope is amazing for this. So, and again, here's a picture where you can clearly see the fluff in there from drilling that I would want to sand these down more if I was going to be selling them. I highly recommend this Vevor digital microscope. My husband is having such a good time with this as he is a coin collector, and it just shows every detail. If you need detailed work, this will be the digital microscope that you will want. I'll have a link below for this. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and see links below.